say ya me no ka say nyash. Okudzeto wo ho. Afidie bi ankrofo bi asum no. Me techere na me monitor. Okudzeto ablakwa. Minister of Foreign Affairs was a Minister for Foreign Affairs. Any Sam George. Afidie pa o mo asum tambrante mienu we no. Me techere na me monitor afidie no. You have no idea. And mummy no so monya careful. Emo bi atribu nya ne de. Ema kokoti se mumbam. Me techere monitor afidie no. Enhwan me mpene. Ensi. Ba mo asoso Okudzeto ani Sam George mo hwe mo ho yi. Me techere me hwe afidie no. Na wonim interpolitics warfare enye hu te say intra-politics warfare. Say we MPP ni ye kum MPP hu chen say NDC for bo tiri so within ma me tache din the same thing, the same afidie no musum yama amakofi bo a ba mi ni aba no ehu akire me girlfriend no we ehu akire say ye afidie bi ni yesum ni ye use no say afidie ni hwan against amakofi bo a ana kofi amabo a Sana ni party o. Etimiti wa sesi e wo. Opa ba me nkoye bibi. Of which me bought trade am ponya me mpae. Agini ejiri mpae bonti. Se urade kora me. Ye de be kwa kwahye Bahama kon sesi a. Etibe kwa akosraje, me kwa kobusaje, me firi. Na mato me bo ase atua. Eno da nchen a Okudzeto hwe ho so ye. I am also watching the trap. I am watching the trap. So we bibi emfa kwan mu a me meka. Sam George, we bibi a emfa kwan mu a meka. But that trap ebeka ho. Enhwan da. I am watching the trap. Amabwa, just relax. Efidie no enhwan. Eminim dia meka ho. Ena me do ba power wi a me no awie. Me no ni asam. Mam dia ka ye madwuma. Na no anno. Je bi asere. Me do ba power wi a me no awie o. Salam life tie. Dia wo pere me boa no wunya wi a me no awie. Me resa obey de etene. JB, no kwasam nyamenim say system that started slow down. And ministers ne MMDCs ne chief executives no mama mani now system that started slow down. Me meka no kura ne ntama kire wo party wo pajai. Any wasamo system no from 9th January, hey, Adiana started a slow down 40%. I can't stay. Your Excellency, system no a slow down. But me know what? And she share me can or yes, I know I should talk room. Me ja 1 year benetwem. 31st December, Baba says here and check. Ye Owusu da. Nyame so on 31st December o ma me so for bia na da say Yesu o ba 31st December 20 o ma hui ministers ne MMDCs the chief executives no it looks as if I said they were not prepared. Me maka wo pa na watame wo pa na wadome me mfa ho me fa GHANA. Maybe Your Excellency, Your ministers, me can some, me kabom. Your MMDCs and your chief executives, as a had them use some. Yes, some majority of them were not prepared. Majority of the ministries, departments and agencies, Your Excellency, system not slow down. They you see, I saw your meetings, yeah, Sada politicians, kasa, yeah, doesn't mean anything to me, Kojo smart. Because and tutuya no say also wo ye tutuya. Papa bi ani wo ye japa. And na bi ani wo ye napa. O ye tutuya no jane ma. Me ye NDC, you know. And I keep telling you, me I'm not NDC. Me ana me tu me kwa bo me ho adwa. Ya ma de. Ge bi sere. So when you me catch me kwa Asante region. Me kwa Bronga Hafo. Me kwa Western region. So when you me catch now, me betwa mu kwa Volta region. Me bo amane. Me say free ho twam be kwa Eastern region. Me we your mampani na wote akonwa so a me pese me boa wo. John. Wo party for na wo from hono. The way o ma dwala no. Ebi o ya na maka cho say nyobi a na betime nya position. Ase ememasam ne akokoti sam no yemfa nya manyo. Wundi afi as minister, wundi afi as DC, wundi afi as MC, afimpo wundi as chief executive. You want to be a lord over the people. Really? Your Excellency, when you end the affinity member, but some of your MMDCs, even majority of them, some of your ministers, majority of them, some of your heads of agencies and departments, majority of them. History now person will make it by the close of 2028 before you hand it over to another person. Or whether the country will push you to go for another term, why not careful? These are the guys. Me, I went to 5 regions. Makato said me, I don't believe in the 16 regions. I believe in the 10 traditional regions. And one day, we met Timase. I didn't think Ashanti region, Yanjim. We met Ashanti region. Pacho, Greater Accra, I didn't think Yanjim. What Bema Braha? Eastern region. I didn't think Yanjim. What Bema Braha? Pacho Central region, Yachim. We are Bema Ko. Ashanti region, Central region, Eastern region, Greater Accra region, Yanchim. What Bema ya Brahana Bechichesa regions in him. Over to pocket. Yeah, Western region, baby, Seshi, JB Chrome Fono. Seshi, Jaboso, then the one I say, oh, the Kai, Yati, your friend of Western North, Yadi. Your friend of Western North. Regional Minister, behind the mano. Yeah, I came there. Debbie, and I do not make one. That many branch back your friend Tony. Any fire service lady back your friend Yafra. Before before Agri, and yes, before Agri. And Taba ku yedu biwa police barrier hono. And bus no you overtaking am say hey akwe dey na oye. Na me call nchen boko e ma no. And I catch up say oh we ne ma me madoso. Owu abi beka. Munja nonko. Eti ye movie ye no. Speed a bus na sand by no. Jebi. And I say yeah another overtaking. And I'm a train me home ban chamber. Third one I'm saying taxi be a unity. Taxi be a unity. Or Bob Banka crack me where's up where ya found. It's me share the oil and I'm saying no. Tanka be woman him. That me con chairman no near a lot of space. Eti I'm say a taxi driver and so. And on one bus driver and so a torn so. Oh, the yam taxi no. When you say see them copy so many gani many Tony nam. Okay, cause up pine. Now, tanker driver no many yardie pa. Because I on frame me, but the number man na man there ya na ya obeje. Minim se wa frame po dia. Jebi. Tanker driver na slow down. I'm so person head the air so. But I no who say bus the mirike ba no. Say the driver na see air ba no. No otia so. And the bus driver dey shit tanker no to. Ati ba na me twen boko. Taxi driver no ofika o to see na eturi sakom no abofom pa na ase mojahye bibi sa ase hweye na ye do mo ko hospital bas no se okọ asankrigwa na ya be yi ma nkwada mema agukwa ho ye yi won agukwa ho taxi driver no ko ye de ne ko internet me ka se me ko akosra do me ko akọhwe na me de bayi. Because now one aka egu kwan and nkwara nkete you know I mean go what's the note and you see akokoko samna hyase antam do me catch the wo part time me fa wo and them one you careful I'm telling you today. These same guys you have appointed, they will disappoint you big time. Because I sit here and I see power struggle within the corridors. As a way per se, or have to wait away, as a way per se, or boo way faso, as a way per se, swim away fide, with him, a deputy said managing director of Temahabo. I called you yesterday. You said you would call back. Me from you, opa for opa jai. Obi pa o kanche no. Me I don't care. I was only calling to let you know, sir. Say. Minimum. But yeah, the way I must start here near man system let's slow down 40%. Maybe you don't know. Brofo, yemfa mumai. Because India Prime Minister Bahai, Brofo can crana parliamentarians no monte. Obeta so many okay. Brofo na papa na kan na mu na ho. Nti enti. Okay. India papa no okay. India Prime Minister asame no kan parliament. Monte dey na monte. Yeah, bear. What then I tell you, Madam MP. Mr. MP, then I tell you. Brofo no kanu ebunna ho. Enye brofo ne edibu mayon. You can write the most beautiful English. Speak the best of its kind. But let me tell you, nyansa ni brofo. Nyansa any brofo. enti mo ya careful me catch me enra me ne nana kwa me ye drive ba na ye kofa Afiata go the first fa be so oye na mo se na Afiata go na market him on lose election na me nimu da Afiata go the first fa be so je bi wa video no otu ne wig ato wig ne twene ye wo studio ha otu ne wig ataro se mentu ma se mentu otu ne wig video ni mu na me hu se na Afiata go and a marketing Hammond election. I didn't know. Eh? Me can't them. Mo crowd ya mutiye, mo ministers no eswa. Mahama me ni JB ya na bone tri so say, wo ka say obeme 60, wa fa 56, aka 4. For 4 deputy ministers in the social, me boa. Answer. Or the 4 neighbor. Me who say, or the 4 neighbor social man has to 60. But the point is that, Abraham, majority of the ministers, majority of the MMDCs and the chief executives, man, you careful, party for an answer to a banamon, me vote here 1 pet. There be ye in each, you know. 1. Me Toma Mahama. I voted for John Dramani Mahama. Now me trap video becha when you come trap. Me di see the picture no so na me sande see wo mo party no emblem no so ka ho. Me sande ba ko see no mo so ka ho tre. Man say no, me to no sa para na. Eh. Man ko vertical o. Hurry na. Pine. And say e kra wa win it. But mo party for no eh ade a MPP yeah e ma o mani ba mo ho so no na ye di nsu afra obomojam no mo ya ahya sentem some MMDCs no me makwa central makwa western north africa ho it is a opa wo fan 2 regions, western region and western north. Mako Asante, mabesa ko Eastern. Mako BA, mabesa ko Volta. So I know what I'm telling you. And me sa, and me bo aban ho ban. Me ka no wati, wenti a nyama sem. Akufo Addo me kan ya, omo ko opposition na ye frefre me ma. Woti abam kura mama, and opposition here, me ma. Monya careful, sister, let's slow down. Mutina any gold board, dollar not stabilize. City not stabilize. City gaining some strength. Mutina any gold board. And ama oil no. When we total oil bahat then we say no. Ghana the nyansa bone natural resources all by through gold. And we share Kofi Amabu salute no. We share Sammy Gyamfi salute no. I'm not saying others in here. That's not what I'm saying. But I've traveled to 5 regions in 3 weeks. We share Emmanuel Ama Kofi Boa. We share Sammy Gyamfi salute them. Areas of Mutu galamsey ame call ho. Excavators ayacheche. And in Niyama Hodwo. I will let you know. And we share National Security Coordinator Razaka salute no. The strategy Omode fighting galamsey. Once I di why you have a case shame koso. And how they are fighting galamsey no, in fact I love it. So almost saying so I remember be catch no. I know me mfa ho. How they are fighting galamsey. Me papa and yami adoma wukuada. One be launch cooperative mining. Ewo Oboase. Omo launch wi a me ken no ho asem. And you see, system that started slow down. My catch slow down 40%. Me sana me tio me can in term before who say jama metan wo. So man tia say ma share the same strategy na say me kan ntem a kire wo. Your Excellency. Enche me ba ye survey, and I'll tell you who your best ministers are and who your worst ministers are. Enche, I'll tell you who your best ministers are and who your worst ministers are. So far, lands and natural resources are Greek. The rest, I'll come to it. And our party for now started soon ministers nefidie. Okudzeto and Sam George may say we must fidie. But I am watching that trap. You guys are young, I am young, and I will never sit here and watch you fail. No, it will never happen. When those who set that trap, they know I know them and I am watching them. Say yema obi adwuma na nipa ne bu president animtia sa nipa no ye ndey Peter say president oye John Mahama ama adwuma bi say ye na say wo bu president na animtia say wo mfa ni die ma no say wo ye obi a wabo odin say be ye adwuma ma no e say ye odey e say ina di nyesa Tis a sandy parrot to one year in the another naba. Nay, didn't sir. Hey, Nanado, a man woman who say, so we a minister no tria, yen reshuffle. Minister Utria. There are person who says, Umutria the same. But I say, hey, Minister, we, Utria Bruta. Would I have a heno? I'm so wow. Otuampa ministers are umutua. Eniema baako mienu bi ekoso ewo memu ha. Ebusuafo mebe bobo. Enipa bi din na maka kire mo wato ho asese. Sede ade no ye dro no kono lai wom. Beja wote Attorney General ni asamo kan ye about Ken Ofori Atta say Ghana for ye ya sore na ye team say ye mfa Ken Ofori Atta mra because omodi abrantie bi kɔ ene ya san bechi abotre card ne kɔ asem no kan ye ni nyina no the opese otchere nyina ne say Ken Ofori Atta onye mfomso bia. I forwarded it to the producer. Producer, bo Ghana for mo amotebro fo no munyi mo asum na muntie John Dramani Mahama na Attorney General no tisabe catch wo say nanado ani aban we negotiate wo mu din komo sa ade bia Ken Ofori Atta ye mfa nche na wutie Attorney General wi a maka twa se me nka asem kwa ansa na mebie ma no ye aka asem no na menim dia Meka ajewo ye wadwen se ukọ court ukọ promise judge se obema no promotion on say judge on say promotion ni amfa ma be cause why high court judge asan we ameke mu ntro na date nto 18th December me ba be kire mu judge ye promise in 2024 say ye be promote to from high court to appeals court judge would that high court ho obeka ho na say ma promotion na Metro petition.
Captain Smart. The king.
Now the videos and pictures are Awujiska.
He is smart. He is unique.
Me mo judge ni
He's the best.
That
Captain Smart is
Ada.
the
Kromha. Mete say wo. When your promotion na your mouse so free high court, aqua appeals court, Metro petition against you. Now the videos and pictures akaho I'm a Ghana for who say which is Jessica because you were promised say you be promote you. Yet say my na ye ma appeals court judge.
Bini, oh.
See, what any general, see no.
There has been a lot of talk on both mainstream and social media regarding what is happening.
Hey, pause it. Pause it. Any probably a lot of talk. Some politician catch us a lot of talk. Or person catch us all your kwasia. So who the man catch that one ne? Some politician. Ebien anu catch us say. There has been a lot of talk. Or person catch us a war. Who na wuti or no na o kasa no. Talk na ye kasa. Any pagana for kasa inanu. Sabi ye kwasia for.
Bini,
I say there has been a lot of talk about the air coso. Kasa bebre. Air coso what the air coso no twaso.
There has been a lot of talk on both mainstream and social media.
May I say mainstream no yeah. Here TV so, radio so, and social media no twaso.
Regarding what is happening. All right. In a nutshell, the processes have begun for the request to be made.
Okay, pause it. Or say, in a nutshell, no. Sir, somebody in area and say, Teo, Wamu ya shasiye. Processes had begun. Sabro funo kan en say, yewie. Wamu ya shasiye. Kwenya wo faswa. Wode Ken Ofori Atta beba. Yedi afe e wa bem. Aban we nim kwanya obefa so a ode Ken Ofori Atta beba. So what it means is that even red alert na omu issue ye no na John Mahama ne na ban e da Ghana for
Bini,
hello
Bini nipa o.
Because negotiations are koso nkomodi e koso munja Ken mayen. Mo betimi di obi a e be ma mo nkrofo na mo Owusu o mo de wo ma ko gu jail ba Ken de e pamacho. Mo ti obi a munja Ken. Mo de mo ti obi a mo pesa mo che no ba Ken de munja no police atwaso. Nya me na make o we brofo.
The request to be made to the American authorities.
I see a fair now.
When doing it.
Unguso. Na ya tro. Na ya ni America. Akasa. Request. Any plea. Order. Difference room. I am requesting that Captain Smart will be asked to travel to Kumasi tomorrow. It's a request. It's an honorable plea. My plea that a theater go be made to read the news until she's no more. Difference room. I am ordering management. And also difference room. Extradition. The new request our extradition. Don't catch us Attorney General. No. There's no extradition request or extradition plea. There's always an extradition order. So what is request? What is plea? Abaiwe any Akufo Addo negotiate. Abaiwe Nanado oni Abaiwe negotiate. Twaso.
Extradition, you cannot make a request unless you have a solid case, a docket that has been built.
But I say pause it. Or say it's as so you know. Won't mean kase. Won't kase yemfa obimfi abrochemra. The person refer to Ken Ofori Atta. Say yemfa Ken Ofori Atta mra Ghana. Wa bra won building case. Woni assembly antia. Esese ye Ken Ofori Atta ba. Enti Ghana for the etie ne say e dada kra e na John Mahama ban yen. And to the attorney say, abiding ni case bia. What shall I say? Or yo. One share she every January 7th. Everything 18th December. As a will build a solid case. What it means is that Abaiwe on to build a solid case against Ken Ofori Atta. What is the answer? Negotiations are also. Omu negotiate. Peter, make some way. NDC for pound challenge na ba ko metra. Sika MPP for triama NDC mpani for bi won. Sika ko for tria wo krom ha no. Sika enkrofo etiatia e wo krom ha no. John ehu o. Wada ba wo nan gu abonten. Your so-called ministers, your so-called appointees, they are taking money. Dollar, city, pound. Because Attorney General na catch and say we catch them crofo na we di bone ni say we mmra dey negotiate anamboa. Na sa woni criminal e negotiate a. Ada na de oje obi mobile phone na was secret no woni negotiate. The way we are buying sika asesa Ghana Japade afa koti kwan so ama omanya sai no no ye ni negotiate but you kwatwa obi board there pay because a common day no wa bra Yesu Kristo kra ko bi obi aburo Yesu anka nche buro wura nura ye chi Yesu no ye chi no Yesu ye chi no e ka de ke be bun se konfo e Bible mu Yesu no man say se come do na kofa de a ene enya hwe how can we say that our judges are aware says obi ko twa obi aburo obi twa obi board ya sa ni pana ye come to no ko twa e me ye na tumu and the Attorney General's office any jupo judicial police one is sa ni pana ko twa obi board ye no ana de obi mobile phone no and negotiate say eye den na ko fa board ye no o say come na dem and your body ura ye pacho man be a quarter of an acre no ndia body for from am na branch in fa nkodi na obi akotwa obi board ye akokọ ba akopẹ na judge etimi atena konwama ka kire say the intent adria na wa branch ni timu a ode kọchi akokọ no na sound obi ochi akokọ dance on 12 years bini na judge etimi atena konwama ka say wonim say akokọ ni timi bon kokroko e me ye ina ye timi te na ye timi asore na anye late ankwa adwuma judge a wuti otikuma say na judge otenkran kokroko ba ntama akokọ obe na judge oti yisle gon obeche kokroko akukọ obon bantama na jaja oti yisle gon obeche ni ye dia kwana kotu 12 solid years John adena shase intercepted we me yan shase o in some me broso after Christmas no me metwa ko me do nyame me maka so say me man 1 year anamwa 1 year no so say 24 kasa afin cheba say ya mpa 7 January ya John na 1 year na so me dey say me go abonti o me ka kire mo no bi ada no ho so me say January we be reshuffle. But the point is that as I say ama wu never be say and never be cause was asase so a yenya yete akire no perception is a key thing in governance. Perception is a very key thing in governance. And John, if you are not careful, perception will become reduction. Anytime you fail to deal with perception, it becomes reduction. Listen and listen good. Anytime as a politician, you fail to deal with perception, that perception becomes reduction. And when your fame, your favor is reducing, That is when you will come to appreciate the fact, say, the people that voted for you, they are not fools. They are not fools. Sir, we are Ghana Sikadia, you know negotiate. Me prefer Fiat go mobile phone, no negotiation.
Wait. Someone here,
Said your MPP for a board my way for no NDC for no. I want you. They are paying, and you know they are paying. I know they are paying. We know they are paying because the Attorney General says let's negotiate. Come and let's pray bargain. Bevia, who could do me a bargain and the teacher say, "Yeniano." Bargain, brofo. Gaining what is in the bag, and your English word, a Latin Hebrew word. Gaining what is in the bag. Adena yedia shemuno, who ye bibi wo home, they are saying ye free. And you find bargaining. And to come, let's do a pre-bargaining. Mobi ambu yen say, te no. Sada tiene, ye ni abuye, ye ni ate. It is our Attorney General catch us say MPP for na area sika who abokro no one bra for pre-bargaining now. What it means is that the people will gain whatever was put in the oral bag. Yenim de ekwaso John.
Ghana.
Producer to aso. Attorney General na kasa to aso. Asame naba.
Not make a request unless you have a solid case, a docket that has been built.
Okay.
And
or say, as a a solid case, make your solid na camera follow us. Yeni abreo. As a solid case. And a docket that has been built. Mama sure sabro funum. Or say as winya asama. Who bet me the ejina so. Ama Ken Ofori Atta Ghana. Na afei yes a case kekewu. Case ensuo wom. Case won jina so. Case ano hye. And number 2. SSA which we build a docket. Docket ne chere say ye bebo ma afia kwadu say wa fa Captain Smart iPad ye bebo afia kwadu say wa fa Captain Smart mobile phone enti say ya me no kase Ghana ko muyima so na muteye case na ye de court na Ken Ofori Atta din wo mu no patanya solid case
Ghana for watch no
so called Office of the Special Prosecutor or say, or the Ken Ofori Atta and 7 and all 6 others. All others being equal. At the one quarter, Ken Ofori Atta didn't come. It is a Attorney General Baba Kachina was say, I respect the Office of the Special Prosecutor. I honor his autonomy. And then, Attorney General, ne OSP, when we starting to call me, the catch say, hey, hello. Kisi Agyapong. Any Dominica Yeni, a lie, and Tokwa. What we said that we say, what kuna NDC for every year kodi, a Dominica Yeni, na MPP for every year kodi, Kisi Agyapong, na ye Ghana for near much as a young Kwasia for
Ghana for what you know.
Eti, Sana Kisi Agyapong case na war court no, and yes, solid case. Any substance.
Watch it, Brian.
It is Attorney General say, or person a building docket, a yes stronger. The Office of the Special Prosecutor, they are court to Mpacho, and where there. La illa illallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Anshedu Allah. Producer to aso.
Case of the Americans, the practice is for you to have filed charges.
Okay. Pause it. Or say, answer number 2 obi. efi America de na ba Ghana ha no esese wa file charges
Bibini
against nipa na person de ba no charges no charge Kwaku bicham ma me ncho mu charges ni na ne say ye do akọ post station and a post for ball Kwadu say why a bonny way why a bonny way why a bonny way why a bonny way and one no charges na no ni na ne sabro from kan na ni na no
watch no
and office of the special prosecutor odi Ken Ofori Atta court and yes civil suit a criminal suit
Bibini
yay and it's a who file charges me busa mo matani general no me say NDC for GGC Cafe MPP for me na make you are taking money MPP for the chair NDC for the so J me ma catch na we say me nsuro no kure kan enti woni me na ma you careful and when I'm in papa penny me na me frɛ me afia and I'm in papa penny ni tin kam and a JB abante bi frɛ papa no
Wani
abante bo me dia na papa ndi phone to speaker I say captain I'm say yes sir I say listen and ni pa de ka and some ebam we are no catch and say I will call you tomorrow to my office and I will invite Captain Smart also to come. So you can say this before Captain Smart. Also, boss, this is not what I'm saying you. What I'm trying to say is that, you see, I heard it from, I said, no.
Ghana for
Time now, who Casano. One can't let me say, who continue, baby.
Watch no.
What's the war now? Who can a winning media? Who can tell Chano pa?
Watch no.
Captain Pua Juma.
Watch
my friend about my office. Now, what's what about Honoa Biano?
watch it braye
Sabe best start if I was we.
Watch
Now
it.
branch and patcho we. Who are beg you here? Where the man can't know. Now Papa the catcher will come say Captain is here. Talk to him. Can't why to say. It's a mampum.
Wait
Usro no creka. I am MBA one. Me say NDC for no Jessica. If you MPP for the bonnet. They are paying. We are Ghana and I'm winning now. Nankofoni tia, nankofoni so J. And you say, as I said, would be charging the panel. Umpo mafia kwadu. Patrona there, office of the special prosecutor. And the court like Ken Ofori Atta kahono. Nti sa kwadu no, and why you kwadu be ya? Attorney General. Hey, Ewurade ye Nyankopon.
Wait
Ghana for
Producer Twaso.
So, for instance, when Kofi Boateng, when we extradited Kofi Boateng, Kojo Boateng, to the US on the request of the Justice Department.
Okay, pause it. Oh, see, Kojo Boateng na ye be fa no krom ha sa branch na o mo de kwa America. So we didn't perform money, a Justice Department of the United States of America, America for Atemwo Asweye. And a truck crata say, ye do kwadu enya bono. Meanwhile, Kojo Boateng, no a Ghana ni anaso no American.
Mayana manye
Kojo Boateng, no American ni anaso a Ghana ni mibu sabi ni. Eti ye de kwadu aba branche no enu ti ye be fa ni fi Ghana ye de ne koi se kwadu ni ye no kre se kwadu no nye no kre ya bo no kwadu nti se ye be fa ne ko Patrick Ken Ofori Atta ya bo no kwadu ana se ye mo no office of the special prosecutor abo no kwadu so no ni panson ese so yi nsem bia no afri se won abo man kro no but attorney general say Ken Ofori Atta yentimi mfa ne ma Twaso.
The Justice Department actually sent me what they call the bill of indictment.
Okay, yeah. Or say, Justice Department of the United States, that's a bill of indictment. They're trying to say, yeah, the baby to a branch and a swat, a bafia swat, just say, as I say, I didn't baffy. You're from the American Indian Assembly. In Patrol, the office of the special prosecutor, Ediato, a year, Ken Ofori Atta sono. A indicted Ken Ofori Atta, and I say, a indicted no. And I know I got a muso, but then in a benum. Wow. Wow. John Dramani Mahama, you got to be careful.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.